The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Metropolitan Transportation Authority. The transit agency has issued a safety issue with their buses, especially one particular model operated from MV Transportation in the South Bay. It's a model made by Orion. It's called the Orion 6 model. There's been numerous reports of these catching fire and other mechanical problems. Operators had to get passengers off the bus due to the engine overheating, which causes the bus to catch fire. The agency is advising people, if they see this particular model called an Orion 6, which is a diesel-powered bus, avoid riding it. Supervisor Janice Hahn has been telling the agency to replace these buses as soon as possible, since they bring a life-threatening situation to passengers. Stay tuned for more information.
Has confirmed that 7 of these buses have caught fire since 2015, and